My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2012 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just under 70,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see the double bed, as well as the kitchen area, which is complete with a cooker, sink and fridge. And we also have the TV. As we step inside, we can see that we have quick access to features such as navigation, traffic and media. And if we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it has parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.